Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a guide on the DHgate affiliate marketing program. I'm going to walk you through a unique method for earning high commission passive income with the Chinese e-commerce platform DHgate. DHgate connects Chinese manufacturers and wholesalers with international buyers seeking bulk pricing on products. Many of the savvy affiliates are leveraging DHgate specifically to profit from promoting Replica designer goods, and through that generating impressively large revenue streams in the process. So by the end of this in-depth tutorial, you will discover what DHgate is and how the marketplace functions, and how the top affiliates are finding success promoting DHgate. DHgate is one of the largest B2B online marketplaces globally, facilitating over $15 billion in sales each year. It has a massive catalog for wholesale products available across all categories. Manufacturers and wholesalers offer bulk pricing and deep discounts. It is Alibaba's Chinese competitor, sources merchandise direct from factories, and it offers buyer protection for defective or undelivered purchases. And what this tells us is that DHgate presents an amazing opportunities for us affiliate marketers to leverage. And while DHgate itself sells all types of goods, it has become especially well known as a source for replica luxury fashion items that include handbags, shoes, jewelry, watches, and streetwear. So it does become very clear to buyers exactly what type of product they are purchasing, high quality replicas of everything from Gucci to Rolex. So a major emerging affiliate marketing niche involves specifically promoting DHgate replica designer products, and it offers an affiliate program paying generous commissions up to 60% of revenue generated from referred sales. Affiliates publish social posts, videos, and blogs showcasing DHgate replica items as part of hauls or product reviews. And the content contains unique affiliate links, so the affiliate earns a healthy percentage when viewers purchase through them. Typical commissions earned range from 5 to 15% per transaction, but the luxury replicas often drive higher average card values of $50 to $200 plus for robust payouts. So let's explore some of these strategies that successful affiliates are using to drive traffic and conversions in this specific niche. And the key to generating sizable earnings as a DHgate affiliate is relentlessly driving targeted traffic to your affiliate links for in-demand luxury replicas. If you can consistently get traffic on your promotional content and haul reviews, a solid percentage will convert into sales, resulting in a great commission payout. And some of the top performing strategies used by leading DHgate affiliates are mainly TikTok reviews. You can post haul videos showcasing your latest replica purchases styled into trendy outfits. Always embed your links in the bios and use hashtags like style, DHfinds, and DHplugged. Instagram posts where you can promote new replica bags or jewelry through aesthetically pleasing flat lays and mud shots, tag brands and also designers. And one of the greatest ways to actually promote your content is on Pinterest. You can create pins comparing DHgate items side by side with original pieces and then add your affiliate links. The goal with any content or traffic source is getting your affiliate links related to in-demand replicas in front of buyers willing to purchase. This niche again has very high income potential. And to tie everything together, let's walk through an example of researching a trending replica product on DHgate, evaluating its revenue potential, and determining possible promotion strategies. You can easily find TikTok videos that have hundreds of thousands of views on the latest replica purse haul from DHgate. The video would have a lot of views and also the engagement is very high. After that, you can quickly scan the comments. Many viewers are asking where to cop or buy this item, but no affiliate links are provided. After that, you can dig into the DHgate affiliate program in details, and then it offers up to 60% commission on referred sales. Once you've offered a program that offers high commission rate, you can browse the DHgate marketplace, and from there you need to browse the DHgate marketplace. Find a similar high rated purse replica featured in the viral videos. And then you could create your own TikTok video reviewing this replica item with your affiliate link in the bio, or reach out to micro-influencers in designer fashion niches to collaborate. This builds a huge potential to automated revenue stream here. And now all you need to do is drive consistent traffic and conversions by optimizing and scaling your promotional efforts over time. This kind of example highlights the immense opportunity with DHgate affiliate marketing once you identify winning products, generating high demand, and engage with audiences interested in the fashion niche or replica designer goods. This kind of niche clearly demonstrates the power of affiliate marketing and the vast income potential available when applied strategically. With DHgate's massive catalog, premium replica products, and generous commission structure, huge profits are possible for affiliates. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that this kind of tutorial has provided a kind of example on how regular people are earning an impressive income stream as DHgate affiliates. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or enjoyable to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content similar to this one.